I was just gifted this wonderful 100% fir wood Adirondack chair, and it is so nice. What I specifically love about this chair is you can fold it up, and it has a footrest, which I'll show you in a moment, and you can fully customize this. So if you want to paint this to match your ambiance, your house, wherever you are, you can do that. Now, it has this additional footrest. Like I said, you just pull out right here, and you can pop it right down, and it is so nice. It's exceptionally sturdy, really came together beautifully. I love Adirondack chairs as they're such a nice way to chill outdoors in the summer. I love this for our campsite, which I plan to bring this to, specifically because of the large armrest that you can put things on. It makes it really, really convenient to just enjoy the great outdoors. Now, my one complaint with this chair is that it does come with assembly needed. I put together the majority of this chair. It doesn't take too much effort, but just know that you will need to assemble this chair, and the chair is going to be as good as you are able to assemble it. Now here is this beauty close up. Really, really nice fir wood. I'm not getting any splinters from it. Just nice and clean throughout. But the main part is that I did need to put this whole back together. Not really a big deal. Everything's pre-drilled for you. You just have to put in all of those screws. But once you have it in one time, you have yourself a great Adirondack chair. This is a total classic. Such a wonderful chair all around. It has all the components to fold it, which I'll try in a moment. And I actually have not tried folding it since I put it together. So this will be a first for me. And I always find that to be best because you get a real first impression. So let me see how well I can fold this. To fold, this goes forward. And then it flattens out. Aha! Nice. That is easier than I thought. I didn't realize that I had everything a little too tight. If you have it too tight, you can't fold it. Now, once folded, this is much easier to put into storage. This is a heavy chair. I wouldn't recommend taking this to the beach and walking around with it. It's not really designed for that, but you could if you were really motivated and wanted an exceptionally sturdy chair. But yep, it just folds up like this. Just be careful you don't pinch your fingers. And then to pop it back out, you're just gonna pull up the seat and the chair just pops right back up. And you may notice that when you first pop it up, the seat's not gonna be where you want it to be. And you actually do need to adjust just a little more, which should be as easy as popping into place like that. And just like that, the Adirondack chair is ready to enjoy. This is a really, really nice chair, and I'm so thrilled I was gifted it. I will definitely be putting this to use all summer long.